Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Apple records $9 billion sales in India, expands retail and manufacturing presence. Hangzhou-based startup DeepSeek is preparing to launch its next-generation AI model by the end of 2025, aiming to rival US leaders like OpenAI. The new model will feature advanced AI agent capabilities, allowing it to perform multi-step tasks with minimal user input. Unlike existing systems, it will learn and adapt from past actions, improving efficiency over time. This innovation aligns with China's strategy to strengthen its AI dominance and could reshape global competition by setting new benchmarks for autonomous and adaptive AI tools. India's cybersecurity agency CERT-In has flagged multiple high-severity vulnerabilities impacting Android 13, 14, 15, and 16. The flaws affect critical components like framework, kernel, MediaTek, Qualcomm, and more, potentially allowing attackers to steal data, gain elevated access, execute arbitrary code, or trigger denial of service (DOS) attacks. Android has released urgent security patches, but deployment depends on OEMs such as Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus. Users are strongly advised to immediately install the latest updates to safeguard their devices from potential cyber threats. London-based tech brand Nothing will open its first flagship store in India later this year, offering an Apple Store-style experience. Co-founder and India head Taegis Evangelidis announced the move after meeting PM Narendra Modi at ETWLF 2025, though the location remains undisclosed. This follows Apple's retail push in Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, and Bengaluru. Additionally, Nothing's budget sub-brand CMF will establish its global headquarters in India, reinforcing the company's local commitment. The brand already manufactures the Nothing Phone 3 in India. Sophos has announced the integration of Sophos Endpoint with Taegis Managed Detection and Response (MDR) and Extended Detection and Response (XDR) platforms. Now included in all subscriptions, the move strengthens prevention, detection, and response while lowering costs and simplifying operations. Customers gain access to advanced defenses like CryptoGuard, anti-ransomware, and adaptive attack protection. Taegis remains open, supporting third-party endpoint tools for flexibility. The integration streamlines management, reduces licensing costs, and enhances ROI, delivering a unified platform to help enterprises combat evolving cyber threats effectively. Lexar has introduced the JumpDrive M400 USB 3.0 flash drive in India, combining high-speed performance with durable design. Offering read speeds up to 150 Mbps, the M400 ensures quick file transfers, ideal for students and professionals. Its sleek metal body adds style while enhancing durability, and the built-in keyring makes it easy to carry. Equipped with Lexar Data Shield for password protection, it supports both PC and macOS, is backward compatible with USB 2.0, and comes in 32GB by 256GB capacities with a 5-year warranty. Acer has launched the Swift Air 16 SFA1661 MEM, a sleek, ultralight Copilot Plus PC designed for modern mobile professionals. Weighing under 1 kg, it features AMD Ryzen TM AI 300 series processors for seamless AI application performance and energy efficiency. The 16-inch WQXGA Plus AMOLED or WXGA IPS display offers vivid visuals, while dual speakers, dual microphones, and a 2MP FHD IR camera enhance productivity and communication. With advanced connectivity, Copilot plus AI tools, and durable magnesium aluminum chassis, Swift Air 16 blends performance, mobility, and style for professionals on the go, priced from EUR 999. AI tool of the day is Fathom.ai, AI-powered insights for smarter decisions. Fathom.ai is an advanced AI platform designed to turn complex data into actionable insights. It helps businesses analyze, visualize, and interpret information quickly, enabling smarter and faster decision-making. With capabilities in predictive analytics, automation, and natural language understanding, Fathom.ai simplifies workflows across industries like finance, healthcare, and retail. Its intuitive interface allows teams to collaborate seamlessly, reducing the gap between raw data and strategic outcomes. By combining speed, accuracy, and adaptability, Fathom.ai empowers organizations to optimize performance and stay ahead in a data-driven world. Our lead story is about Apple Records' $9 billion sales in India, expands retail and manufacturing presence. Apple's India sales surged to nearly $9 billion in FY25, a 13% rise from last year, driven mainly by iPhone demand, with MacBooks also contributing. CEO Tim Cook announced 2 new stores in Bengaluru and Pune, bringing India's official Apple store count to 4, with more planned. India is also central to Apple's supply chain, producing 1 in 5 iPhones across 5 factories. With $22 billion worth of iPhones assembled in FY25, India is now Apple's 4th largest market globally. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Rini Gupta signing off from IT Voice.